Hey there, I am the HVAC repair guy. Before I started fixing your home comfort systems, I was a nuclear power electrician, and if there is one thing I learned working on reactors, it is that the label on the outside matters a lot less than the engineering on the inside. Today, we are doing a real world matchup in the basic category between two heavy hitters, the Heil Performance N5A5S and the Trane E5 TTX5. Let us start with the family tree because in the HVAC world, heritage is everything. Heil is part of the International Comfort Products Group, which is owned by Carrier Global. This makes Heil a subsidiary brand to the flagship Carrier name. On the other side, we have Trane, which is the flagship brand for Trane Technologies. Here is the secret the industry does not want you to focus on. Flagship brands like Trane often command a massive price premium for the exact same internal guts found in their subsidiary or licensed brands. If you are buying a flagship, you are often paying for the marketing and the badge on the cabinet, not necessarily a different compressor or fan motor. If you are buying a flagship, you are essentially paying for the name, when you could be getting the same reliability from a subsidiary at a much lower cost. Now let us look at the build quality of these two machines, starting with the cabinet. The Heil N5A5S uses a wire grill design. That means your sensitive outdoor fins are exposed to weed whackers and hail. The Trane 5 TTX5, however, comes with full louvered panels. That is a heavy-duty steel cage protecting the heart of your system. Moving to efficiency and the compressor technology. Both of these units are single-stage machines. Think of a single-stage compressor like a standard light switch. It is either 100% on or it is off. There is no middle ground. Both the Heil and the Trane come in at a 14.3 SEER 2 rating. In the 2026 season, that is the standard baseline for efficiency. And since they are identical here, the choice comes down to the build and the price. Let us talk about the 2026 price analysis, because this is where the flagship prestige hits your wallet. For a standard 3-ton installation, a Heil N5A5S is going to run you between $3,700 and $6,500. The Trane A5 TTX5 is a different story, with installed costs typically starting around $5,000 and climbing up to $12,000 depending on your local labor rates. You are looking at a significant premium for the Trane. While Trane offers that legendary build quality, you have to ask yourself if a badge and some steel louvers are worth a multi-$1,000 markup. If a subsidiary brand like Heil is using similar internal components, the Trane starts to look like a lot of flagship prestige without enough added value to justify the gap. Before we get to the verdict, here is a maintenance tip from the field. Once a year, take a garden hose and spray those outdoor coils from the top down. Just do not use a pressure washer, or you will flatten those fins and kill your efficiency faster than a heat wave. On the warranty front, Heil gives you a 10-year limited warranty on parts, but 0 years on unit replacement for this specific model. Trane offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, but they also do not offer unit replacement in this tier. It is a draw on the paperwork. The verdict today comes down to the price to heritage ratio. While the Trane A5 TTX5 has the better cabinet with those louvered panels, it is priced like a luxury item in a basic category matchup. The Heil N5A5S delivers the same single-stage cooling performance for thousands of dollars less. Unless you live in a hailstorm alley where that steel cabinet is a requirement, the Heil is the smarter move for your budget. The Trane loses this round because the flagship premium is simply too high for a basic entry-level unit. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tools at HVAC for Beginners to see how these brands stack up against the others.